Welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of love and food. Summers and watermelons are rather synonymous with each other. तो अपने दौड़ते भागते kids को hydrate करने के लिए here's a cool summer drink. They love to sip on this sweet and sour concoction. ये recipe इतनी simple है that even your kids will be able to make it. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C that comes from amla. So let's make it. So it's very, very simple. We've got watermelon, carrots, gooseberry या जिसे हम आमला कहते हैं, just half an amla. We've got some ice, basil, some honey. Two tablespoons of honey. That's it. Give it a blitz. That's it. Pull it out. Ready? How simple and how refreshing is this drink? देखा आपने कितनी easy recipe थी? This cool summer drink is filled with nutrition, taste, and is so vibrant. Get your kids to make this one for everyone at home. Do you have a special or a healthy and easy recipe that your kids love helping you with? Do send them in. Also, if you haven't already downloaded the Shilpa Shetty app, then what are you waiting for? Do download it now and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. और जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.